What if I told you a woman can make a man desire her so intensely, not by touching him, not by flirting with him, but by something much deeper, something silent, something powerful, something every woman has inside her? This is the psychology behind the deep feminine pull, the invisible force that makes a man think about you, crave you, and feel you, even when you're nowhere near him. Stay till the end. Because the last truth is the one men never admit. Number one, the quiet feminine energy men feel instantly. Men act strong, but emotionally, they are incredibly sensitive to feminine energy. That a woman who is calm, soft, grounded, creates an invisible magnetic field around her. She doesn't chase, she doesn't beg, she doesn't force. That her presence simply says, I'm whole. I'm enough. Psychology proves people desire the soul that makes their heart feel safe, and feminine calmness is a man's emotional home. Number two, the mystery that pulls him closer. You don't have to hide anything, but you also don't need to reveal everything. When you don't overshare, when you don't rush to impress, when you let him slowly discover you, you awaken his curiosity instinct. One of the strongest forces of male attraction. He might forget your words, but he will never forget the feeling of wanting to know more about you. Mystery is not a game, that it's presence without pressure. Number three, the soft confidence men can't resist. Confidence doesn't mean loud. It doesn't mean perfect. It means you're comfortable being yourself. Men fall hardest for the woman who isn't trying to compete or compare or convince. That your quiet confidence says, I don't need you to complete me, but I choose to share my world with you. And choosing, not needing, is what creates true desire. Number four, the feminine slowness that drives a man crazy. Slow energy is powerful energy. That when you talk gently, move softly, and don't rush moments, you create an emotional atmosphere. That a man steps into that atmosphere, and suddenly, the world feels lighter. That your slowness brings him peace. That your softness brings him clarity. That your presence brings him back to himself. And that feeling becomes unforgettable. Number five, the emotional presence that melts his heart. Men rarely experience emotional presence. When a woman truly listens, looks into his eyes, responds with warmth instead of judgment. He feels something he doesn't feel anywhere else. Seen, valued, understood. Psychology says men fall for the woman who understands their silence more than the one who reacts to their words. He will crave your presence, miss your aura, and come back to the softness he felt with you. Number six, the secret truth men never admit. A man doesn't desire a woman because she tries harder. He desires her because she awakens a deeper part of him. That the part that feels inspired, safe, alive, and emotionally awake. That the deep feminine pull is not about the body. It's about energy. Mystery. Confidence. Presence. Emotion. You don't chase him. You don't convince him. You don't perform for him. You simply be. And that being becomes unforgettable. If this touched your heart, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which truth opened your eyes today.